In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Notion. We'll start by signing in, then pick a ready-made CRM template, and finish by exploring the views that keep your pipeline, contacts, and meetings organized. Begin by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. On the home page, select Login. When the sign-in options appear, choose the Google option, then pick your Google account to continue. Once you're in, look at the top left for your workspace name. Open the More Options menu next to it and select Templates. Templates are a huge time saver. They come with databases, relations, and views pre-configured, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. They also demonstrate best practices you can adapt to your process. In the Template Gallery search bar, type CRM. Browse the results until you find a template that fits how you like to work. Review the description, check if it includes contacts, deals, meetings, and a pipeline view, and make sure the layout feels clear to you. When you've chosen one, click Add to bring it into your workspace. Next, open the template you just added so we can take a quick tour. Inside the template, locate the Actions menu. This is your quick add spot for common records. Click New Client to add a client profile. You'll typically see fields for things like company, primary contact, priority, and status. Fill in what you know now. You can refine details later. Next, click New Deal to capture an opportunity. Most templates include properties such as deal stage, value, and expected close date, and they let you link the deal back to the related client so everything stays connected. Then, click New Meeting to schedule or log a touchpoint. Add the date and time, a short agenda or notes, and connect it to the relevant client or deal to keep the context together. Now let's explore your dashboards. Open Dashboards, then choose Sales CRM. This central page usually pulls in your most important views. Select Contacts for a clean list of people and companies you're working with. Open Client Acquisition to focus on new prospects and outreach activity. Visit Deals to see all opportunities in one place. Filter or group by stage to understand what needs attention. Head to Pipeline for a board view that shows deals moving from stage to stage. You can drag and drop to update progress. Finally, open Next Meetings to review upcoming conversations so you never miss a follow-up. That's it. You've signed in, added a CRM template, created sample entries, and explored the key dashboards. From here, work from these pages daily to track relationships, opportunities, and meetings in one organized space.